Hey, it's Ben here, and here in this video we're going to have a quick look at the SmartMike from Builtin. Now this little microphone can be used either on its own as a microphone or as a transmitter and receiver. You can plug headphones into it as well, so you can use it for voice calls, and it connects really easily to Bluetooth on your Mac or PC. So what you're hearing now is the built-in sound of my Mac laptop, so you can see the sound quality of the built-in microphone. I'm about a foot away from the microphone. And now you can hear the sound from the Builtin microphone. So in the same position, the Builtin SmartMike is on my lapel here. You can see it. And basically, this should give you a good idea of the difference in quality you're going to get from this sound. Now, the nice thing about this microphone is that you can use it when you're moving around. So if you're giving a lecture or teaching, you can move around that lecture theatre and still have the microphone broadcasting to something like Zoom or Microsoft Teams, depending on what you're using to broadcast or record your lecture on. So that could also be something like Kaltura, which will plug into some of the different learning management systems like Moodle and that type of thing. So a really useful little microphone that can be used on its own or paired up with another microphone so that you can link it between your camera and your microphone, and also the ability to plug in other microphones, so directional mics, into the SmartMike is really useful as well. So I hope this gives you a good idea of the quality of the SmartMike, and if you have any questions then leave them in the comments below.